In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a Docusign document to expire. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and navigate to Docusign's official website. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. This is crucial because you'll need access to your documents, and logging in allows you to manage and configure these settings. After you've successfully logged in, head over to the Docusign homepage. This is where you'll find all your document management options. Once you're on the Docusign home, look for the Start button. You'll typically find this easily, as it's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Clicking on Start is your gateway to initiating document preparation, a pivotal step in our process. So, go ahead and click Start. Next, you'll be presented with several options, but you need to focus on the Advanced Options setting. It's often tucked away in other menus, so keep an eye out for it. Clicking on this will open more settings that give you greater control over your document's lifecycle, specifically the ability to set expiration dates, which is our goal today. After clicking Advanced Options, you're going to look for the expiration setting. This is where you can specify when you want your document to expire. It's a useful feature for certain cases where time-sensitive documentation is key, ensuring that documents no longer necessary are automatically retired. When you click on this expiration option, you'll be able to input your desired expiration date. You might want to consider how long the recipient will reasonably need to access and sign the document. Once decided, carefully enter this date to prevent any inconvenience later on. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set your Docusign document to expire, granting you peace of mind and control over your digital agreements. Make sure you double check that each step has been carried out properly, confirming that the expiration date is accurately set as you intended. Whenever you're managing documents that are critical or sensitive, it's always a good idea to review these details before finalizing any modifications. Thank you for joining me today as we explored how to set Docusign documents to expire. This operation, while straightforward, is a powerful tool for maintaining both security and order within your electronic document management system. For continued tips and tutorials on optimizing your digital workflows, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Happy signing!